What if I told you the next 6 months could completely change your life? Not because of luck, not because someone saves you, but because of the decisions you make starting today. Most people overestimate what they can do in 1 week and underestimate what they can achieve in 6 months. 6 months is enough to learn a valuable skill, build powerful habits, improve your health, increase your income, and become someone your past self wouldn't recognize. But only if you stop waiting. Today, I'll show you a simple plan to make the next 6 months the most important of your life. Step 1. Set one clear goal. Don't chase 10 goals at once. Choose one. One skill, one business, one fitness goal, one career objective. When your focus is clear, your progress becomes faster. Step 2. Learn every single day. Spend at least 30 minutes learning. Read books, take online courses, practice valuable skills like AI, coding, sales, digital marketing, or communication. The people who keep learning are the people who keep growing. Step 3. Protect your time. Your phone should be your tool, not your distraction. Reduce endless scrolling. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Use your time to build the future you actually want, because every hour invested today pays you back tomorrow. Step 4. Stay consistent. You don't need perfect days. You need consistent days. Some days you'll feel motivated. Many days you won't. Show up anyway. Success belongs to people who keep going when motivation disappears. 6 months from now, you'll either be proud that you started or disappointed that you waited. The choice is yours. Your future doesn't change because the calendar changes. It changes because your habits change. So here's your challenge. Imagine the person you want to become 6 months from today. Then take one action before this day ends. Not tomorrow, today. Because one decision, one habit, and one consistent effort can completely change your life. If you're serious about building discipline, learning high-income skills, and creating a better future, subscribe to Inspire Path for more videos on success, productivity, and self-improvement. Remember, the next 6 months will pass no matter what. Make sure they become the 6 months that change your life forever.